By now you've heard KPAX described as fleet management reimagined. You may be asking, why does that matter? If your fleet management software isn't evolving, it likely isn't suited for the office environments of today. KPAX Liberty is better suited for current environments as it connects directly to the network. No customer workstation or server needed. Let's take a look at how easy it is for your technicians to install. First, plug in the provided power adapter, and then take the USB cable and plug it into the top of your Liberty. Then take an Ethernet cable that's connected to your network and plug it into the adjacent Ethernet port. And there you have it, your Liberty is good to go. Once your Liberty is connected, you can use your smartphone to finish configuring the agent. To do this, go to your mobile device and open up a web browser. In the URL, type in finder.liberty.kpax.cloud and hit enter. This will bring you to a page to where you can enter the subnet of your network. Enter that in and it will automatically scan for any liberties in the network. Tap Execute Advanced Search to start the scan. All the liberties in the network should appear in the list below. Click on Go to Liberty page. You'll be able to get plenty of information about your Liberty on this page, as well as configure any settings that you'd like to adjust. And there you have it. Simple, quick installation with no need to use or even touch the customer's workstation or server, creating a better experience for them and a more reliable solution for you.